this video, I will show you how to verify that a link you received is not a hacking attempt. Using simple tricks to protect yourself. Watch the video until the end to know how to do that. Firstly, many people make a common mistake by clicking on links without thinking this could immediately infect your device with a virus or malware that can spy on you or worse. So the first thing you should learn is to avoid clicking or opening any suspicious links. Recently, most websites we use nowadays use HTTPS instead of HTTP, which somehow ensures secure connection. When checking a link, look at whether it starts with HTTP or HTTPS, and remember, be cautious if the link starts with HTTP instead of HTTPS. In addition, pay attention to the spelling of the website. For example, someone might create a fake page that looks like Facebook, but with slight alternation in the domain or link. It could be as subtle as changing a letter or swapping two letters. Be vigilant for any discrepancies. Till now, I couldn't verify whether the link is malicious or not, so I got some websites that can check links and give us more information. I will leave the links below in the description, so let's start to try them. The first website that we have here is a VirusTotal. So I got you an example of phishing URL and try to check it via this website. So first thing, I will try to click on the URL, and after that I'll try to paste the URL here and click enter. After that, this website will check the link. So as you see here, this link is marked as phishing or malicious URL by 14 security vendors. So as you see here, phishing, this by many antivirus like Kaspersky and Sophos and Fortinet and many other antivirus which checked the link before. So the second website that we have here is UrlScan. UrlScan here gave us screenshots of the results for the links here. I will try to paste the URL here and check. It just load here. Yeah, as you see here, I got the results and I got a screenshot of this URL. This website could be better because it can give you a screenshot and open the links in the website itself. You don't need to open it on your device. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to click like for this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.